Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Word Chapter 4 hands-on exercise assessment security. This is the fourth chapter of Word section of my IT Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of the video. You can look for more useful videos in my YouTube channel. Let's start this assignment. Step 1 of the assignment is to download your file that you can download from your My IT Lab dashboard. This one, the Exp19 Word Chapter 4 Hands-on Exercise Assessment Security Doc. So I have already downloaded this one. This is the document. This is the assignment document where we will apply all the steps according to our requirements. So we will move to our next step, that is step number 2. So step number 2 is apply the following formatting to hold the document. So we are supposed to apply this formatting to the document. First one is document is double spaced. The font is Time New Roman. So we will go to our document, this one, and we will select all the document and we will apply. It should be double space and font should be Time New Roman. We can change the spacing from here. It should be double space and font should be Time New Roman. This one. So there is no paragraph spacing before or after any paragraph. So we will make the paragraph spacing to 0 before or after. So we will click on the home tab. After home tab we will go to the paragraph tab, this one, and just click on this arrow sign. Then paragraph spacing before. This is the spacing before, it should be 0 and after it should be 0. So there should be no paragraph spacing. Just click OK. Then next thing to do is margins are 1 at top, bottom, left and right. So now we will change the margin of the document. Just click on the layout tab. This is the layout tab and go to the margins. This is the margins tab and click on the custom margin. So we will make it top should be 1, bottom should be 1, left should be 1 and right should be 1. That is our requirement. So we will click OK. So we have changed the margins of the document. Now we will do the next thing. Alignment is left. So we can change the alignment from the home tab, this one. So this is align left, justify, center, and this is align left, this one. So we are done with step number 2. Now move to next step, and next step is step number 3. Ensure all markup view is displayed. So we will ensure that markup view should be all markup. Click on the review tab and make the all markup, this one. It should be all markup. And next thing to do is on the first page, reject the replacement of 3 words used: recognize, choices and applied. So we will reject the replacement of these 3 words: recognize, choices and applied, accept all the changes in the document and stop tracking. So this is the first part. We will reject this change. Go to the review tab and then this changes tab, this one, and click here and reject change. So we have reject this change, recognize. Then next thing is choices, this one. Reject this change as well. And next one is implied. We will reject this change as well. So we will reject this change as well. So we are done with this. Now we will accept all the changes and we will stop the tracking, this one. So we are done with step number 3 now, and we will move to our next step. Our next step is step number 4 now. Step number 4 is modify the title style to reflect the first comment left by your partner. Reply to the first comment by typing adjusted title style, include the period and mark the comment as resolved. So we will copy this, or we can type this one, adjusted title style, this one. We will go to our document and we will move to our first comment. First comment is the font size should be 12 points without underline. So this one. So this is the title style. We will modify this one. There is no underline, and also it is saying that it should be 12 points. It should be 12 points. And we will click OK. Now we will reply to this comment according to our requirements. This one. Adjusted title style. Adjusted. So adjusted title style, and we will make this comment as resolved. This one. So we are. So next thing to do is find the second comment, which is the poor password practice section, and italicize the password as instructed in the comment, but not the commas. Mark the comment as resolved. So now we will move to our next comment, and our next comment is here, this one. So we will make the password example as, we will make them metallic, this one, without the commas. Make it italic. Also this one. And also this one. So be careful, don't include the commas in this one. So we have made these changes, and now we will move to next thing. Next thing is create a new paragraph before the word password as indicated by the third comment on the page 3. Delete the comment. So now we will move to, so first we will make it resolved. Now we will move to next comment, that is comment 3 on page 3. This one. Start a new paragraph here. So we will start a new paragraph before the word password. We will just click enter, and a new paragraph is inserted, and we will delete this comment now. So next thing to do is step number 5, because we are done with step number 4 now, and now we will move to next step. Next step is step number 5 now. Change the bibliography style to APA6 edition. Click before the period in the last sentence in the first paragraph in the poor password practice and their consequences section, with the sentence ending with other well-known password. Insert the following article citation. So poor password, this one, and we are supposed to insert this. So we are supposed to insert the citation here. It should be APA style, and before the period we will go to the reference tab, this one, and we will make it APA, this one, and we will click on insert a citation, add new source here, and it should be, you can see that it should be article and periodical. So we will change this type of source, should be article and periodical, this one, and now author name. So author name is Storm Darlini. So we will enter this one. Title of the article is, so I do one thing. So I have written the author name. Now next thing to do is title. So title will be vast, most common passwords for the last 5 years. We will simply copy this and we will paste the title here, or we can type the title as well. So this is the title, and next thing is periodical title. So periodical title will be computer word, this one. So we will type the periodical title here. So next thing to do is a year. Year should be 2016. So we will type the 2016 here. That is the year. So that next thing is the month, and month should be January. So we can type or we can simply copy this one as well. So paste it here, and next thing is day should be 20, and URL should be this one. We will simply copy the URL and we will paste there. So we can paste the URL here, this one. So I can match the requirements now. So you can see the author name, this one, then title, then article title, then the year date, then the month, day, and the URL. So I have written the URL here. So just click there and click OK now. You can see that citation is there now, and we are done with step or anything more. Yes, insert a citation to the same source before the period in the last sentence in the third paragraph on page 3. So we will go to page 3 first. So this is page 3. So this is the second last paragraph. You can see that this one. Third paragraph in the page 3, and we are supposed to insert the citation before the period with the sentence ending offline password manager are even free, this one. So we are supposed to insert the citation before here. Just click insert citation and we already added the source, this one, and we will insert the citation here as well. So now we are done with step number 5 and we will move to our next step. Our next step is step number 6 now. So we will move to our next step now. Our next step is step number 6 now. Click before the before the period at the end of the last sentence in the first paragraph of the recommended password practice section. Let me go to this section first. Recommended password practice section, this one. Recommended password practice section, first paragraph, it is saying that first paragraph with the sentence ending with should not just be added to the end inside the following citation. This one should not just be added to the end. So we are supposed to insert a citation here now. So we will add a new source here. So it will be a website. We will make the type of source to website now, and author name should be, we will simply copy the author name and we will paste the author name here. Then name of the web page should be this one, choosing secure passwords, this one, and name of the website will be this one, and year should be 2014, month should be March, and the next thing is day and URL. So we will simply copy the URL and day should be 3. So you can match the requirements now. So author name is there, name of the web page is there, name of the website is there, year 2014 is there, then month is there, day 3, and year. So we will just click OK, and you can see that this citation has been added to this paragraph before the period. So we are done with step number 6 now. Move to next step, and next step is step number 7 now. So step number 7 is insert a footnote after the last password example in the poor password practice section. So we are supposed to go to poor password practice example, this one. So this is first example, second, and this is the last example, and we are supposed to insert a footnote here after the last password example, this one. So footnote style should be common password as obtained from data breaches, and it should include the period after the password. Then we will change the number format of the footnote to 1, 2, 3 in the footnote dialog box. Apply, click apply, not insert. So we will simply copy this, or we can copy this, or we can type this footnote as well. So I have copied this, and we will go to our document now. This is our document, and we are supposed to insert the footnote after the last password example, that is this one, and just click on the insert footnote, this one, and we will type, or we will paste the footnote text here. Then we are supposed to make it, this is in ABC form, we will make it to 1, 2, 3 form. This one we will click on apply, this one. Now you can see that this is in ABC form, and we are done with this step, and now we will move to our next step, and next step is step number 8. Step number 8 is insert a blank page at the end of the report and insert a bibliography. So now we are supposed to insert the bibliography at the end of the report in AP style on the blank page with the title work cited. The bibliography should be double spaced with no paragraph spacing before or after. So we will go to the document now, go to at the end of the report. So this is the end of the report now. This is the end of report, and we are insert to a blank page, this one. Now we are forced to insert the bibliography. Just click the reference tab and click on the bibliography, and it should be work cited title. This one. The first one is bibliography, second one is reference, and third one is the work cited. Just click on it. Now it is saying that it should be double space. Just select this all and go to the home tab and click on the paragraph. This one. Paragraph arrow, this one. It should be double space. No paragraph spacing. It should be 0 before and 0 after. So no paragraph spacing before and after. So that was step number 8, and we will move to our next step, and next step is step number 9 now. Step number 9 is saying that ensure that bibliography is formatted with the Time New Roman font and 12-point size. So we will make the bibliography Time New Roman, this one Time New Roman, and 12-point font size, this one. So next thing to do is, and all text in the bibliography should be black text 1 font color, center the work cited title. So all text should be black text 1 font color. We will change the font color to black text 1, and it should be center, this one. So that is step number 9. We will move to next step, and next step is step number 10 now. Step number 10 is saying that insert highlight cover page, change the year to 2020. So first we will insert the cover page and go to insert tab and click on the cover page and look for highlight. So let me select the highlight, this one. This is the highlight, you can see that. Just insert this one, and now we will change the year to 2020. So it should be 2020. So you can see that I have changed the year. Now we will write the document title according to the requirements, and document title should be password recommendations. This one we will simply copy this one and we will paste in the document. This, just paste it here, and you can type as well. I just copied and pasted, and next thing to do is type your first and last name as the author. Delete the document subtitle placeholder. So document subtitle placeholder, this one we will simply delete this. Just right click on it and remove the content control, this one. And this is the exploring series, the author. We will change this to our name, first and last name. So we are done with step number 10 now, and move to next step. Next step is step number 11. So basically this assignment have 15 steps, and I am doing step number 11 for you now. So if you want me to do this assignment for you, I can do this assignment for you. You can hire me for your complete course as well. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, information technology, or writing assignment, computer sciences assignments. So you can hire me for your programming courses as well. So I have been doing courses since 2015 and have been producing a grade for the students. So you can also hire me and I will do this course for you. So we are done with 11 steps for this assignment, and now I am going to show you the final version for this assignment. When you will apply all the remaining steps, then you will get a final version. So this will be our final version. So when we are done with all the steps, then we will get the final version. This will be our title page. So highlight, having the document title, password recommendations, and the author name. Then this is our second page, including citation and footnote as well. This the third page also, third page as well has the citations. So next thing to do is, let me show you. This is our bibliography page. That is the works cited title, and then will be our index page. So we will mark the index entries, and then we will insert an index page like this one. So if you want me to do this assignment for you, I can do this assignment for you. I can do this complete course for you. I will produce a grade for you. Just contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID, and I will do this assignment for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.